So friends, a fresh report from GF Securities analyst Jeb Bush shared leaked specifications for Apple's iPhone 17 series set to launch this fall. The forecast largely corroborates rumors we have been hearing about the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max thus far. All four models of the iPhone 17 series are expected to launch together in September 2025, and display sizes are packed at 6.1 inches for the iPhone 17, 6.6 inches for the iPhone 17 Air, 6.3 inches for the iPhone 17 Pro and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. For processors, the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are set to pack the A19 Pro chip and build on TSMC's N3P process, while the iPhone 17 Air will likely get an A19 chip and also on N3P. The standard iPhone 17 is expected to run on A18 chip using the N3E process, and memory spec shows the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max coming with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the iPhone 17 Air with 12GB of LPDDR5 and the iPhone 17 with 8GB of LPDDR5. On the camera front, all four models are rumored to feature a 24-megapixel front camera. The iPhone 17 will purportedly have a 48-megapixel main camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the rear, while the iPhone 17 Air is expected to feature just 48-megapixel main camera, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will reportedly have a 48-megapixel main camera and 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with periscope capabilities. And the casing materials are another point of the interest. The iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max will allegedly use an aluminum frame, possibly for environmental reasons, while the iPhone 17 Air might utilize a titanium frame, and charging support across all models is forecasted at 35 watt, and a Face ID with structured light technology is expected to remain standard. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.